Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're doing well today and staying focused on your goals. Welcome to another trading session. Today, we are continuing exactly from the previous day. This is day 5 of the challenge. Nothing has been reset. Nothing has been adjusted for display. Everything is moving forward naturally as part of the same journey. If you are watching this channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe right now. Make sure you like the video. And stay connected because we share updates daily without gaps. Your support helps this channel grow, and it allows us to keep showing real execution instead of theory. If at any point you want more information, if you want to understand how the system works in detail, or if you want clarity before making any decision, you can message us directly on WhatsApp. We respond properly and guide step by step with clear explanations. Now, welcome again to day 5 of the challenge. This challenge was selected by our community members. We asked what they wanted to see next, and most people requested that we continue from where the previous challenge ended. That is why this challenge is not a fresh restart. It is a continuation of the same structured journey. We started this challenge with $1,000. That was a community demand. The target for this challenge is $4,000, and we are moving forward step by step without forcing trades. Before going into execution, I want you to comment below. Tell me honestly how your trading is going. Are you following rules consistently? Or are you still struggling with discipline and emotions? Now, let's talk briefly about the market environment. Crypto markets remain unstable. Forex markets are reacting to global economic conditions. In these situations, emotional trading often leads to unnecessary mistakes. That is why many traders prefer a controlled trading environment. Deriv provides that structure when used correctly. Automation helps reduce emotional pressure during execution. Now coming to today's session. This is day 5 of the challenge. Before starting, we analyze several indices. We observe price behavior, and we check overall stability. At that moment, volatility 10-1 second index showed better consistency. So we selected that market for today's execution. The analysis shown on screen is for transparency only. It is not our complete internal analysis. Its purpose is simply to show that everything you see is real and live. After selecting the market, we moved to bot. The premium bot was already loaded inside the system. We reviewed all parameters carefully before starting. The market was set to volatility 10-1 second. Stop loss was set at $300. Take profit was set at $450. Stake size was set at $42.87. Once everything was confirmed, we started the bot. During execution, the system followed predefined logic. Trades were placed automatically. There was no manual interference. Risk remained controlled throughout the session. Now pause for a moment here. Many traders fail, not because they lack tools. They fail because they lack structure. They react emotionally to short-term movements. They break their own rules, and then they blame the market for the outcome. Consistency is not exciting. It does not feel dramatic. But consistency is what builds clarity over time. When you repeat the same process daily, you begin to understand how your system behaves. Patience is one of the most difficult skills to develop. Most people want immediate confirmation, immediate results, immediate recovery from mistakes. But trading does not reward impatience. A structured system forces patience. It removes impulsive decisions. It keeps actions within defined limits. And it teaches you to respect the process instead of chasing outcomes. Losses are part of trading. No system avoids them completely. What matters is how losses are controlled. Risk management protects the account. Discipline protects the trader's mindset. Many people spend years searching for a perfect setup, but perfection does not exist in trading. What exists is repetition of a solid process. Experience comes from repetition, and experience reduces mistakes over time. Confidence does not come from one good session. It comes from knowing that you can repeat the same process tomorrow. It comes from understanding your risk, and from trusting the structure you follow consistently. Another important lesson is accountability. When you trade randomly, you blame external factors. But when you trade with structure, you review your own decisions and improve gradually. Trading becomes simpler when you remove noise, when you stop switching strategies every few days, when you focus on one approach, and when you give it enough time to show real behavior. Many traders confuse activity with progress. They trade more and think they are improving, but improvement comes from better decisions, not from more decisions. Structure helps reduce unnecessary actions. Progress in trading is not linear. Some days feel smoother. Some days feel slower. But staying consistent matters more than speed. That is the mindset this challenge is demonstrating. Now let's move to today's result. After launching the premium bot, it took approximately 16 minutes to reach the take profit. During the session, the bot executed around 119 trades. Out of those trades, 112 were winning trades, and 7 were losing trades. The total profit for the day was $453. After completion, the account balance reached $2,698. All results are visible on screen. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is edited. Day 5 of the challenge is now completed, and the challenge is currently in the middle phase. At this stage, maintaining discipline becomes more important than excitement. We continue to follow the same steps every day. Analyze, set parameters, execute, and review results calmly. This journey is shared to show real execution over time, not shortcuts, not assumptions, but structured trading applied consistently. If you want more information about our bots, or if you want to understand how our system is designed, you can visit our website. All relevant details are available there. Thank you for watching today's update. Thank you for staying connected with the challenge. And we will continue with the next session very soon.